welcome back to my channel. In case it's your first time here, hello, my name is Linresi and karibu sana. But please consider subscribing and turn on the post notification icon so that when I upload my next video, you'll be among the notification gang. Yeah. So guys, today I have a guest, an amazing guest on my channel. So I'll just let her introduce herself and then we move on.
Okay, hi guys, my name is Hanifa, and today I want to try a hijab outfit on my friend here.
Yeah,
she wants to be a hijabi.
Yep. Yeah. So I hope you're going to like this video. But please guys, kindly go and subscribe to her channel. She's also a YouTuber and her name is, can you tell them your name?
Okay, yeah guys, my name is Hanifa Creatives on YouTube, and I'm doing different kind of videos, my lifestyle. I'm doing crochet, so if you are interested in crochet, lifestyle, vlogs, kindly subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, just go there and hit that subscribe button. So guys, you don't want to waste your time, let us just go straight to the video. So I don't know, there are hijabs or something. That's what I'm going to do. I want to kusilimika in English. I want to be a Muslim. I want to be a Muslim. You know, I'm a Christian, but right now I want to be a Muslim. So I want you guys to give me an Islamic name. Comments down below. Yeah. So let us do this.
Okay guys, so I want to try different hijabs on her. Na niko na hizi safety pins. Hizi ni za kufunga hijab na hapa chini. And then these ni za kufunga. Unaona na venye nimefunga na yangu like here. So these. So we have different types za hizi mini pins. We have this ile ya maslay. It is 50 shillings actually. Na hizi zote, there are many at 100. So I have different hijabs here. Zenye nitafunga. Like you can see, this is a chiffon material. Tuko na hii ya dera hapa. And this is chiffon too. And also, I don't know hii ni material gani. Sijui ni gani, but yeah.
It's soft. It's kind of soft.
Yeah. So let's begin na hii ya chiffon and have a different styles kwa kila. It's good.
Okay.
So kuanza, I'll fold like, okay, sorry, kuna kitu nimesahau because of
okay.
I have to kuvalisha this headband kadogo haka. This is what I do. Then I'm going to take this hijab. Nana penye kuna hizo maridadi, I'm going to take it on my left side. Alafu ni fold tu kidogo juu yake, like this way. Then this is what I'm going to do. Sorry. So I'm taking one side inakuwa long, the left side ni right, or the left side inakuwa mrefu and the right side inakuwa fupi. Reason being nataka kuchukua hii and then nizungushe to the other side. So nitachukua tu hivi yote and then I'll hold it here, then nichukue and then I'll take this side, unakafold tu kidogo and then unaizungusha like this. And then you take another safety pin. you see, and then naileta hivi here, and then nifunge hapa na safety pin. I have this safety pin. Hebu shikilia hivi. I have this safety pin yenye nitakuja nifunge hapa like
There you go, I'm done. Okay guys, give me a name. Call me Aisha. Comment below. Can you write the Okay. So we're moving on to the next one, huh?
You are in a hurry and you have this chiffon hijab. This is what you can do. One side long, one side short. It's too easy. You're done.
Yep. Simple.
So we have this material in it. It's kind of stretchy.
Bladder. Is it stretching?
Aka unaweza tu rock nako hata na trouser by the way. So I'm still holding this side inakuwa long, alafu hii fupi. Then na hold tu mwanzo sikunji. And then naenda kuirap. Kumbuka nimesema it is stretchy. So nitainini tu. Nini? Ndaivuta. And then I take my safety pin. Sijakukaza.
It's stretching.
And then still I'm going to take this side. The first thing you can do, and you're good to go. Yep. That is the first thing you can do with that hijab. Another thing you can do, you're gonna take it like this, kidogo, like umei fold kidogo, and then just wrap it around. Easy. And then you take another pin. Let me use this. And you're good to go. Unafaa kujiangalia.
Wow. Hey, hey.
Yeah.
Who is this? Aisha.
So guys, it is Jumat and now we wanna go to the mosque. We can rock with this in Dira. Sasa, like, you just hold it like this. Tunataka tufunge mrefu, tunaenda kuswali kumbuka. And then unaishika hivi kidogo like unaifold. This way. Nimezoea kushika na hii side mrefu. It is supposed to be this side mrefu. Yeah, so you hold it like this. Hii side ni fupi, on the left side ni mrefu. So unaifold hapa kidogo. Then unaileta hizi. You take your safety pin. You see, and then you take the longer side. Unaileta hivi. Aisha anaenda msikitini.
Anaenda kuswali.
Is ready to go. And then I'm taking a white pin. Nimechukua pink. Which one are you comfortable with? I have this pink one. And then unaizungusha. Yeah, and then unashikilia hivyo. Yeah. You can stand and see how it is.
Assalamu alaikum. So that is it. How do I look? Make sure you comment below. Rate my friend's work. So this is Aisha, and if you don't want me to be called Aisha, then comment an Islamic name below. Okay, so make sure you go over to her channel and subscribe. Then you can watch her videos. She does pranks, all that, and lifestyle videos to be specific. Okay, so okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.
Sema Juma Mubarak. It is Friday.
Oh, Juma Mubarak. Ama ni Mubarak. Juma Mubarak. It's Friday, sindio?